Hello and welcome back to our channel. Please hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to our channel already. Today we'll learn how to go offline on Google Map. You can download certain area of map to use it offline. To do so, first of all, open your Google Map application and then tap on your profile on the top right corner. There you can see several options. Tap on offline maps and then you can see this panel. To download the map, tap on select your own map. Select an area of which you want to download the map and then tap on download. It will now start downloading the part of map you have selected. After downloading, you can see the message saying the download is completed. Just use map normally even when offline. Now you can see the map saying Kathmandu. The name of map varies as the part of the map you choose. Now you can search for a location and use the map offline. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Let us know if you face any problems on the comment section below, and also hit the like button if the video helped you, and please subscribe to us and please subscribe for similar contents.